Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two popular dash cams, the Pop dash cam and the Prilot dash camera.
Get ready for some high-speed comparisons and hilarious commentary.
Let's dive in.
Both of these dash cams offer impressive resolution, but there can only be one winner.
The Pop dash cam boasts real 4K plus 1080p dual cameras, capturing every detail on the road.
On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera offers a combination of 4K and 1080p cameras, providing clear and crisp images. The Pop dash cam features crystal night vision with HDR technology, ensuring clear video even in low-light conditions. The Prilot dash camera utilizes a wide aperture and infrared cabin light for enhanced night vision. The Pop dash cam offers Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to easily access and share your footage on the go. It even has an optional inside rear camera for added security. The Prilot dash camera offers a 3-channel system, monitoring the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. The Pop dash cam and the Prilot dash camera battled it out, but in the end, the Pop dash cam emerged as the champion with its superior video quality, night vision, and additional features.
Remember, it's important to choose a dash cam that suits your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful tips.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and until next time, drive safe and buy smart.